The warm aromatic infusion known as cinnamon tea, which is prepared from the bark of the cinnamon tree, has several fascinating health benefits or advantages. In addition to its pleasant flavor and reassuring aroma, cinnamon tea has a wealth of anti-inflammatory and strong antioxidants, as well as possible blood sugar regulating abilities. So in this video, we are going to be exploring the many ways that drinking cinnamon tea can improve your health, including heart health, immune system function, and digestive health. Do come along as we investigate the benefits of cinnamon tea and learn about the various ways that this age-old beverage can improve your health. So what is cinnamon tea? The bark of the cinnamon tree is used to make the aromatic and tasty herbal infusion known as cinnamon tea. It is a warming drink that is flavored and favored for both its distinct flavor and possible health advantages. So, we are going to be looking at the cultural significance and history of cinnamon tea. With thousands of years of history, cinnamon has been valued for both its culinary and medicinal use. Many cultures have held it in high regard for its healing ability and hearty, spicy flavor. Antioxidant advantages for general health. Antioxidants like polyphenols, which are abundant in cinnamon, aid in the body's fight against free radicals and shield cells from harm. These antioxidants are essential for maintaining general health. Antioxidant benefits or advantages for general health. Cinnamon tea contains antioxidants that can help prevent chronic diseases, lessen oxidative stress, and encourage healthy aging. Including cinnamon tea in your daily routine helps strengthen your body's resistance to toxic substances. So, we are looking at the inhibitory properties of cinnamon tea. One of the main ingredients in cinnamon, cinnamaldehyde, has strong anti-inflammatory properties that can aid in lowering inflammation in the body. Drinking cinnamon tea on a regular basis may help with inflammation and promote joint health. Effects of lower inflammation on the human body. Cinnamon tea has anti-inflammatory properties that may help enhance immune system performance overall, lower the risk of chronic illnesses, and improve cardiovascular health. Accepting cinnamon tea's anti-inflammatory properties can improve your overall health. The use of cinnamon to control blood sugar levels. Studies on cinnamon's ability to control blood sugar levels have shown that it reduces blood glucose level and improves insulin sensitivity. Having cinnamon tea may be a tasty and natural approach to promote appropriate blood sugar regulation. Research and results regarding sugar and cinnamon. Studies indicate that cinnamon may improve glycemic management in people with insulin resistance or diabetes. Including cinnamon tea in a well-balanced diet could provide further help in controlling blood sugar levels. Cinnamon tea's beneficial effects on digestion is what we are looking at now. After a large lunch, have you ever had the feeling that your stomach was protesting? Presenting the unsung champion of digestive health, cinnamon tea. This fragrant tea can ease bloating and discomfort in your stomach, acting as a comforting balm for your digestive system. Also, it encourages balanced gut flora. Yes, gut health is the key to feeling amazing from the inside out. Your gut microbes may need cinnamon tea as a gentle reminder to thrive. Drink this tea to help improve overall gut health and digestion by encouraging a healthy balance of gut flora. The effects of cinnamon tea as immune boosting. A small immune system boost is beneficial for maintaining good health. In addition to being delicious, cinnamon tea is a powerful immune system booster. This spicing app helps in, you know, keeping your immune system healthy, making sure that nothing goes wrong with your immune system. Due to its antioxidant qualities, it helps you to like keep the toxic substances away from your body, and also it strengthens your body's defenses against bothersome intruders. Boosting a robust immune system in a world full of sniffles and sneezes. A cup of cinnamon tea could be your reliable ally in the fight for health. Drinking this immune steering tea will give your body a better chance of fending off any infections that may come your way. Cinnamon tea's benefits for the heart. Do you cherish your heart as much as your body's MVP? Then cinnamon tea could wind up becoming your new best friend in Heartland. This tasty tea has the potential to improve heart health, so it could be a great way to give your ticker some much needed attention. Cinnamon's impact on heart health. Eating salad is not the only thing that contributes to heart health. Studies indicate that incorporating cinnamon tea into your routine may be a heart smart decision. Recent research indicates that it might have a favorable impact on important cardiovascular health indicators. It's time to sip your way to emotional happiness. How to make and savor cinnamon tea. So now we have talking about the importance and the benefits of cinnamon tea. How do we make it? First, selecting the correct cinnamon tea is critical to select the appropriate cinnamon tea for your taste preferences and health objectives, because not all cinnamon teas are made equal. There is a cinnamon tea out there that is just right for you, regardless of your preference for a strong, spicy sensation or a more subtle taste characteristics. On this channel, I will encourage that everyone buy their own cinnamon themselves, because I will not, support you in buying a processed product, because we are trying our main goal, or let me say our vision on this channel is to do everything green as possible, as in go so close to the nature as possible. So instead of you to buy a cinnamon product in the market, I would prefer you go out to the interior of the market if you can, because I know there are some places that this is not possible. But if you can do that, it will do you a lot of good. Go to the market yourself, buy your cinnamon yourself, the cinnamon stick, the back of the cinnamon tree, you'll see it. The picture is already in this video. Get the stick yourself. You can turn it to powder, grind it, mill it, whatever you chose to do. Get it to powder and just make your own tea yourself. You know what is going into your stomach than for you to buy a product that you don't know what preservative, what additives and the rest that they have added to it. So I hope this will guide you. Also, optimal procedures for serving and brewing. A skill worth developing is making the ideal cup of cinnamon tea. Take your tea drinking experience to a whole new level of cozy perfection, from water temperature to steeping duration. So pick up your preferred cup and gather your favorite mug and start exploring the world of brewing. Finally, adding cinnamon tea to your daily routine might be a tasty and wholesome option that could improve your general well-being. Cinnamon tea is a tasty and natural way to nourish your body and mind, whether you appreciate it for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidants, or possible advantages for blood sugar regulation. Given its lengthy history and wide range of health benefits, cinnamon tea is a delightful and adaptable drink that can be a great complement to a well-rounded way of living. Sip by sip, let's toast to the numerous advantages that cinnamon tea offers. So, if you have gained value in this video, please leave a comment below. Tell me and the other viewers that cares to know how you prepare your own cinnamon tea at home. Also, before you leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel for more valuable content, and share to your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this Green L channel. Thanks for staying to the end, and I hope to see you in the next video. Love you guys. Take care of yourselves.